How's it going, Bear?
Don't call me that.
Sorry, Mr. Bear?
No, I mean I'm not a bear. I hate bears.
Well, gee, you're one big beaver.
Don't kid me.
Do either of you know where the lights touch the earth?
Yeah, no. No. Sorry, bear. Or beaver.
I'm not a beaver. I'm a bear. No, I mean, I'm not a bear. I'm a man.
Excuse me?
I was transformed into a bear. Magically. I was lifted into the sky by my brother.
Huh? Crazy!
Gesundheit.
No. Fruitcake!
Are you okay?
No! That bear! Over there! He's crazy!
I am not crazy.
What? Whoever said you were? We understand.
You do?
Oh, yeah. You see, we're not moose either.
We're not?
No. We're like squirrels.